What's the meaning of closed syllable? Closed syllable. Closed syllable.
Closed syllable. Closed syllable. A closed syllable is a type of syllable in which the vowel is followed by one or more consonants, creating a tight, closed sound. The final syllable in words such as cat and top are examples of closed syllables. When a syllable is closed, the vowel sound is usually short. This means that the vowel sound doesn't last very long and is not as emphasized as it would be if it were an open syllable. In general, closed syllables create a more closed-off, compact sound in words.